Welcome to University of Management and Technology, UMT. We are excited to have you here. Today, we'll take you on a quick tour of Khurram Murad Learning Resource Center, KMLRC, your gateway to knowledge and resources. UMT is more than just a place to study. It's a hub for learning, collaboration, and discovery. Whether you prefer quiet study spots, learning commons for group study, or comfy lounges, we have spaces tailored to your needs. Welcome. We're here to help you make the most of your library experience. Don't hesitate to ask us for assistance. Our collection includes more than 140,000 books, reference books, journals, and e-resources across various subjects. Need a specific title? Use our online catalog to find it easily. Need access to computers? Our digital common, equipped with latest IT infrastructure, provides you a peaceful research environment to focus on your research work. Digital Common is dedicated for research scholars like MS, MPhil, and PhD students. Want a space for group projects? Reserve one of our learning commons. Visit the reference desk for the reservation. The reservation is 45 minutes long. Scholars Common is to facilitate PhD scholars and faculty members for group activity and research. Don't forget to visit our website for access to ebooks, e-databases for articles, and libguides. To visit the library website, please type library.umt.edu.pk. At the homepage, you will find some tabs. Click the Learning Commons to reserve the Learning Common online. Click Online Library Catalog or type lrc.umt.edu.pk to search the available collection of library. You can check your library profile like details about books issued against you, due date of the issued books, and many more. You can access this page anywhere, whereas library also provide OPAC terminals to search the books. Click the New Arrivals to view the recently added collection. Click Digital Library to access a huge collection of e-books that is more than 40,000. You can download the full textbook through UMT Network. Click Learning Resources tab and then eBooks to find eBooks subscribed databases. Click e-databases to find scholarly databases having full-text articles. You can access the subscribed resources through university's network only, but not over the Wi-Fi. You need not any login or password to access the full-text document. To search the full-text document smartly, go through the library tutorials. You will find the tutorials at library website. Click About LRC tab and then click Library Tutorials tab. Here you can find different tutorials like how to find a book from library catalog, how to find thesis list of your department, means previously conducted research, tutorials about how to search smartly in different databases like JSTOR, IEEE, etc. Please have a look on complete list of tutorials. To see our LibGuides, now click on Learning Resources tab and then click LibGuides. You can find here all the schools, institutes, and departments of university. Click your respective school then department. You will find the library resources separately managed for your department. You will find here latest books, reference sources, e-databases, list of international journals extracted from the databases to focus your subject, as well as national journals of your subject. These Pakistani journals are freely available with full text. Now click on Research Support tab, then click on Thesis Templates. Here you will find 3 types of style manuals: APA, IEEE, and Chicago. This template will guide you how to write down your thesis or final year project. Every student is eligible for library membership that do not requires any library fee separately. Please confirm your library membership from Library Circulation Desk, because membership is necessary to avail book issuance facility. Remember, participants can borrow books as per the following rules. Undergraduate students, 4 books for 14 days. Graduate students, 6 books for 14 days. And postgraduate students, 10 books for 14 days. You can renew the book within due date if you need more time. Just be mindful of due dates. Take advantage of our quiet reading hall. It provides you a peaceful study environment. Please be aware that speaking loud, making phone calls or voice notes, eating anything or drinking juices, moving furniture, and sleeping is strictly prohibited. Library also offers the Turn-It-In services. Participants can check their assignments. Research work similarity at library. Participants can also visit thesis section to consult previous research conducted by any department of UMT. Always keep your university ID card on display during your stay at library. We will be happy to see you in the library. Thank you.